My name is N. Vishnuvardhan. I am studying 6th class from SANTHI NIKETHAN English Medium High School. Today I am going to say about magnetic swing. Magnetic swing. This was discovered by Orchard in 24th November 2022. For this project, we need a swing and magnets. We already know that magnets have two poles. They are North Pole and South Pole. So we should keep a magnet to the swing as shown like this. And we should keep another magnet to the bottom of the swing. And we have to check whether the both magnets are North Pole. When the both magnets are North Pole, the repellation force will start and the swing will push automatically. For example, metro trains and bullet trains. If I hear a question that how do metro trains and bullet trains go fast, we will say that normally the train driver will keep speed boost, but we are wrong. Actually, the tracks have magnets and the train have magnets.